Alrighty, so the final video is going to be talking about the flyweight pattern and then the simple explosion. So the flyweight pattern. So I have a flyweight base classes. So I have a glyph. I have a spreadsheet. So the glyph, pretty much it just determines the position on that spreadsheet, and then the spreadsheet splits everything up. Pretty simple. The fonts, so I'm not even using key font, but I have awesome font in here, which is basically what Centipede should be using, and it'll go through and it'll set like you know, whatever, like symbols, stuff like that. So then when you are using the text demo or the final score text display, it can easily pick out, what's a letter, what's a number, what is a space, what is a bracket, anything like that. So in the simple text demo, this is essentially, it is the HUD. It is the HUD pretty much, because it's displaying the player one score. It, for tractor mode, displays the 1980 Atari. At the top, I put in the lives to make up for no images of the blaster as the lives. And then I have the number that displays how many lives that there are. So that is the HUD at the top. And then this also displays the high scores that are put in the middle of the screen. Pretty simple. It draws everything when it's constructed. The update, there is nothing in the update. Woohoo! Don't even need that there, really. And then it'll then draw. It has its draw function, draws everything. And then obviously, like I explained in the other videos, it has a function which other classes will call, which will update the regular score, and then when you're, dying, it updates the lives, so that's at the top of the screen. And then this key pressed is basically to start the game. So, it clears whatever score the attractor mode did, and it clears all of the high scores in the middle of the screen, but it doesn't clear the high score at the top of the screen. It keeps that. So that's what that does. Final score, same thing. Final score is at the top, in the middle. Has its own thing because I wanted to just separate it just to make it a little bit easier. Again, nothing in the update, not needed. It updates the final score, obviously, when your player one score is greater than the final score. So yeah, there's that, and then let me just show you the explosions really fast. So I have the player death explosion. It's simple. I mean, it's just basically, I don't have factories for these at all, but they work. Player death, just basically creating a little sprite that has a little animation whenever you get destroyed by something, and then this explosion is used for everything else, the critters. So it's really, really, really simple. Yeah. So yeah, there's all of that. Thanks.